We have DOWELL'S Apical Retention Forceps. I would like to introduce our most popular universal forceps. F1001 is for upper, and F1002 is for lower universal forceps. This kind of apical retention forceps has 4 benefits to use. This thin type of end tip can reach a little bit under the cement enamel junction. The cross serration reduces slippage. The ergonomic handles are good for tactile sensitivity. This apical retention forceps is able to grip more surface area of tooth. How to use these forceps as shown in the following videos. Initially make a space to cut the periodontal ligament with our flexible periotome or blue elevator, and then use the thin beak. Hold under the cement enamel junction to extract. You can grip more surface of tooth to extract Atraumatic.